Open out the boot, grip the foot firmly between your thumb and fingers, lift the foot and place your baby's heels snugly into the heel of the boot. This is always best done with your baby's leg bent. Ensuring the heel remains firmly at the back of the boot, bring the tongue across. Keep pressure over the ankle to ensure that the heel remains in place as you bring the middle strap across and slot into the buckle. Always do the middle strap up first. Be careful not to get creases in the tongue at this stage. Firmly smooth the strap towards the buckle. You may find you will be able to go up 1 or 2 more holes by doing this, especially if boots are new. When you have finished, you should only be able to just get the tip of your finger under the strap, and the heel should be down and clearly visible through the hole at the back. Fasten the top and the toe straps. They should be snug but not overly tight. Recheck the middle strap is done up firmly enough. Finally, slot the bar onto the boots.